Alright, here we are in the self-taught kitchen, cooking with Dankmyst.
Cooking Dankmyst?
Cooking with Dankmyst, we're going to be trying to make this particular one, a traditional Japanese snack. Yes. Now, do you remember the ingredients? Let's see. We need wild fish, seaweed, mushrooms, let's put that back, eggs, and mushrooms. And then we must come over here to the chopping table. That's right, little Koniski.
Ooh.
And we'll chop.
There.
Hold on. We're all like in a solo environment anyway.
Then,
There we go.
Then what?
We chop.
Yeah, we chopped.
Yes, we chopped. And then we stir. And at this point, we can add salt and seasoning. Then what do we do?
Yeah.
If we don't get a mini game,
What do we do now?
we go to there and we steam it. Now while we're steaming, depending on if we get a mini game here or not, we're going to add some. I believe this is the right. Oh, that's aged vinegar. Wrong thing. Looks right. Wrong thing. We want. Where are you? That's pepper. Soy sauce. We add some soy sauce. No pepper. And then we do our mini game. Okay, we got a mini game. Catch the food, not the guns.
Yep.
Yeah, on this one. Yep, catching guns will remove points from having caught food. There we go, completed mini game. I think I got the food order right there. I think we did this right. This is actually, see, I'm unlocking it. See, I don't even know.
Guess we're going to win.
I don't know, we'll find out by appraising it. Praising the food right now. So what did we make? Wow, we did. We made Chawanmushi. Congratulations. We have unlocked food from the self-taught kitchen. This concludes our episode of Cooking with Dankmyst.